All right, welcome to lesson 7.2.1. Today we're going to be looking at things where you can find, the goal is that you can find the point of intersection from a graph or a table and use it. What we're really doing here is setting up something that's called a systems of equations. So let's get started. We're going to go right into this. We've got question number 62 in your book. Says that it's almost county fair time. And let me just set this up pretty simple. The Morgan County Fair, which is where this girl, Juanita, she's looking at which place she should go for fairs based on the charges that they have. The Morgan County Fair, well, they charge $10 at the gate to get in. So just to get into the fair, they're going to charge $10. And then when she wants to go on rides, they're going to charge her $3 per ride. So the question becomes, how much does that cost? So the Morgan County Fair, the gate fee is $10. And then as I take this down, it's going to be $3 per ride. So let's just click on this. $10 per ride. So 0 rides, it costs her $10 to get in. If she goes on 1 ride, then it's going to cost her $13. 2 rides is $16, 3 rides $19. As you can see, it continues to go up 3 each and every time. Now, she could also choose to go to the Larimer County Fair. Okay, the problem is Larimer County Fair charges $15 to get in at the gate, but they only charge her $2 per ride. So let's see here, if we plug that in, it costs more to get in, which is $15. So 0 rides, if she doesn't go on any rides, it's going to cost her $15. 1 ride is $17, 2 rides is $19, so on and so forth. As you can see, that the Larimer County Fair continues to be more money until you get to 5 rides. That is when, if you went on 5 rides, it was going to cost her $25 no matter which fair she went to. However, you might be able to see if she decided to go on more rides, now all of a sudden the Larimer County Fair is going to be cheaper. So she's got to kind of decide before she goes how many rides she's going to go on. Let's take a look at this, not in chart form, but let's take a look at how this would look on a graph. So on a graph, we've got the Morgan County Fair, and we've got the Larimer County Fair. Okay, well, the Morgan County Fair started at $10, so let me take that down here, and let me click on this, and that is what that graph looks like there. Okay, so $10 for 0 rides. For every ride, it goes up $3. So up 3 over 1, up 3 over 1, up 3 over 1. And you can kind of see the slope. This goes up 3. This goes up 1, up 3 more, up 1 more, up 3, up 1 more. So you can kind of see where that blue line comes from. The red line, okay, well this one costs $15 to get into it right here. And then that one up $2, so up 2 over 1. Next ride, $2 more. Next ride, $2 more. Next ride, $2 more. Next ride, $2 more. Until you can see at 5 rides right here, both of them are charging $25. If, after that, you can see this red line would be less expensive. So this point right here, at 5 rides and $25, is what's called their point of intersection. But then, there was a third option that entered the picture here. Let's go to that right here. There was what's called the Weld County Fair. Now the Weld County Fair, they only charge $6 to get in. The problem is they charge $5 per ride. Hold on 1 second, I gotta go let my dog in. Come on, Jax. All right. Happy dog makes a happy household. All right. So now let's take a look at the Weld County Fair and what that looks like. So in a chart form here, hello, respawn, there we go. That's $6. First of all, we already know about this one right there, and we already know about this one right there. The Weld County Fair only charges $6 for the first ride, to get in at the fair, but then they charge you $5 per ride. So as we click on this one here, you might notice, I want to have that off just a little bit, but that's all right. You might notice that the two of these, that the green and the blue lines, the Weld County Fair and the Morgan County Fair, at 2 rides, they both charge $16. So if you're planning on going on more than 2 rides, you probably do not want to choose the green one, because they become more expensive than the blue right here. And at 3 rides, they charge $21, and the red charges 21. So you can see where 3 and 21, the two of these cross right here. So if you plan on going more than 2 rides, you're looking at the blue. But if you plan on going on more than 5 rides, you want the red. So the red is cheapest after 5. The blue is cheaper after 2. And the green is cheapest if you don't plan on going any rides or just 1 ride. Hopefully that makes sense where you see those point of intersections on those. All right. Let's see what else I got today. I believe there's a nice map of the whole thing. You can see the little intersection points. That was nice that was made up for me. That's all I got for you today. We will see you in class tomorrow. Bye-bye.